Hello and welcome to the second episode of personal branding course. In this video, we will discuss defining your purpose for personal branding, and defining your purpose is really not just about getting your name out there. It's about controlling the narrative around what you want people to know about what you do. What we are going to do today is this worksheet that really helps you look beyond the actual skill that you might write in the resume and think about it as a pattern for talking about content, talking about yourself, and moving towards a part that really is going to fulfilling for your career and open new doors and opportunities. So I think the biggest takeaway from this is just to make sure that you do the worksheet with me. I'm going to fill this out as we go. We are going to really look at helping you figure out what this purpose is in a way that is going to help you move past maybe a roadblock that you have right now in your professional career, or if anything, help you talk about what you do in a really succinct and powerful way. So really understanding your purpose does a couple of things for you. One, it gives you great talking points for maybe when you meet someone that is a potential good network opportunity, and it gives you a number of things around your own professional career. First of all, it gives you guardrails. It really helps you understand what it is that you really do and helps give you clarity around what that is. It gives other people clarity to make sure that you are known for a really specific thing in general. The first thing that I want you to think about it, what are you known for? If you were to think about what your friends would say, this is my friend Rennie. She is an amazing producer. Think about how your friends talk about you. A lot of times people who love us or who are close to us oftentimes see the good things about you or the good things that you do even before you do yourself. So think about you, what you are known for. Is John an amazing connector? What is it that people really say this is really what he is about? The reason why it helps think about it in that way is usually the top things that come to mind for those people are little extra special that you really do. So what we are going to do is really think about those things and write them down, and what I call them is past successes. If it's hard to think about it in a way like what someone may praised you for, think about it, what you have done for a client, what you have done recently that's been you are really proud of. The boss said this is really incredible. Even if no one praised you for that, you know that the work was really good and that you made an impact. So that's what we are going to talk about. We are going to make a list of successes, and I'm going to do this with you guys on the worksheet. And this was basically an overview of defining your purpose, but in the next video of this course we will practically do the worksheet fill out to find your purpose. So please make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next video. Love you all.